Hey there. Today, my friend Sean and I are smoking some tomahawk steaks. They're gonna be so good. Follow along with us and see how we do it. How long are we smoking these, Sean?
We're gonna smoke them for maybe about an hour and 15 minutes. Then we're gonna throw them on the Blackstone to really top them off. It's really gonna be good.
So good.
So good. And let's get a shout out to the TITS.
Thousand Island Tackle Shop, thanks for your hats for this episode. All right, now it's been about an hour and a half because these boys were thick from Butcher Box, but they're so ready to come off.
Here we go. Now
Ooh,
I'm
they
gonna finish them
smell
on the
so-
Blackstone. So come and watch us finish this on the Blackstone.
Ah, it's so good.
Okay. Love you guys. Put butter on there.
A little butter.
Yep.
Tap it right on there. Ooh. All right, we just pulled them off. They have an amazing sear on them. They look so freaking good. I wish this was smeller vision, you guys. OMG. All right, we just pulled this off and let it rest for 5 minutes, and we are so ready to eat. This thing is juicy and delicious, so now we're gonna chop it up.
We're gonna chop it up. It's gonna be like rare all day. Oh my God!
Oh
Look
my
at that.
gosh. Look at that.
Amazing. It's wiggling like I wiggle on a Friday night.
Perfect.
Drop that steak one more time.
Look at this.
Yep. Now we're going.
Juicy and delicious.
Yep. Now we're going to the medium well.
We do eat veggies too.
She's like licking the floor.
Open those.
Thank you so much,
Touch.
Sean, for cooking with me tonight. And I can't wait to see you guys on our next cooking show.
Yes, let's do it again. Love you, Michelle.
Love you too.
Yeah.